888. Your divine turnaround is here to the one counting coins and wondering if the struggle will ever end. This is not your forever, the sacred number. 888 roars with infinite abundance, urging you to shift your gaze from lack to limitless possibility. Your current reality? A single frame in a much grander film. The moment you align your thoughts with wealth, not as a distant dream, but as your birthright, the universe conspires to rewrite your story. How? Thoughts are seeds. Plant. I am worthy, opportunities find me, and money flows easily. Water them with unshakable belief. Focus on the how, not I'm broke, but what can I create? Your mind, when tuned to solutions, becomes a magnet for breakthroughs. Gratitude as fuel. Thank the $5 in your pocket. Celebrate the ideas sparking in your heart. Scarcity flees where gratitude grows. 888 is your cosmic promise. Financial chains can shatter in an instant when you trade doubt for divine expectation. The job, the idea, the unexpected windfall, they're closer than you think. Your wealth isn't coming. It's already here, waiting for your mind to catch up. Step into this new frequency. The door to abundance is now open.